Come test drive the 2019 Ford Edge. Thrills with more power and MPG. Either way, you're in for an exhilarating experience with Ford Edge. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, power passenger seat, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, lane departure warning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, keyless start, floor mats, cruise control, aluminum wheels, auto-dimming rear view mirror, four-wheel disc brakes. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.